Yeah, hello online people. Today is Wednesday, 27th of October 2021, and I'm presenting you a Rolls-Royce Phantom that I'm driving today. I want to show you a little bit the features of the car by showing you a little bit of our outside. The whole car is made by hand. Imagine a handmade car, except of course the rubber and the glass. It's very, very luxurious. It has like suicide doors, as you can tell, and I'm going to show you inside, as everything looks really classy, luxurious, beautiful. So let's start with let's start with the back. Let's start with the back. In the back, hold on because the music is kind of loud. There you go. Okay, so the back, we have lots of space here. Lots of space at the back. You can actually fit 4 people. All right, so we have stars on the roof. They're really, really beautiful. They bring a lot of really nice feature and atmosphere, as you say. So we have like big screens here for entertainment reasons, for music, videos, DVDs, whatever you want to call it. We have 2 big screens over here. I think they're 17 inches. All right, what we have here at the back more. We've got a fridge here. You can put like a couple waters or alcohol, champagne, whatever. And this is how you keep it on all the time. You have, Vanity Mirrors in the back for everybody to watch themselves. We have a police panic button here. That is not just like an OnStar. This is like police button. And we have double windows. That's my favorite part of the car. The car has actually double windows. I'm pretty sure you can see this here. This is 2 layers of windows together. They're not bulletproofed. Everybody thinks it's bulletproof. It's because of sound. The car is so soundproof that you cannot hear absolutely nothing outside. Here, close the door, open the door, and you close the door by pushing this button. There's actually a sofa button closing door. There's mirrors on the back, which is kind of useless, but it brings a really nice feature. Now let's go in the front. I want to show you in the front. The car, when you close the car, oh yeah, by the way, there are actually umbrellas inside the car. Very famous umbrellas about Rolls-Royce. The Rolls-Royce Umbrella, it's yeah, it's a great feature. You have to turn it like that. I want to show you, when you close the door cannot slam. It has to close like that. It's like a trunk, soft close. So when you close it, it has to close like this. So now let's go in the front. Show you a little bit the front. Very luxurious, guys. Okay, so let's start with the sound system. The sound system has by factory every single satellite radio exists are included in the sale with this car by factory. So we have we're opening this. It's just a little tray over here with some dials here for the phone. Which the phone, you put it here. There's actually a device to put a telephone. Here in the other side of the compartment, it has this is like a joystick to move the seat forward and backward. There's all the settings for the actual seat. The seat moves forward and moves back. My phone is getting off focus, but yeah, this is like the button to move the seat forward. I'm pretty sure you can see now, right? What else? It has a little, what is it? Little joystick here. Come on, focus. Joystick here to move the whole steering wheel forward and backwards. It's pretty cool. Usually there's a handle there. Oh, there's also a cigar case here with 3 cigars for some really expensive situations. Mostly for display. Oh, sorry, I closed it. I forgot. We have also those buttons here that they are set. This is the clock, and this is the trunk opening, closing as a lock, and this is the spirit of angel. As you can see in the front, the little spirit of angel. Focus, come on. They can go up, it can go down. You can tell, actually hide it or appear it. What else? We have satellite, like I said. All the information, all the entertainment are coming from this mouse that they are going into the monitor. The monitor has all those options. I'm not going to go through with with all those options because they're quite a lot. I just want to show you the car is remarkable. It's made by hand. A car made by hand that I'm driving. It's really cool. Where else can I show you? The car has always air conditioning on, so you have to turn it off sometimes because the air conditioning is always on. Oh, another feature we have here, there's a lift button. You see this says lift. When you push this lift, the actually car lifts up 3 inches. It goes up 3 inches. This is very, very cool. So anyway, I'm driving this car today and a few days, a month for my work. I forgot to show you also there's a police button here that you cannot push it because it's actually a police button. Also these are really cool features, like a little, this is for your shirts and everything, and even this one, it has like, it actually goes back and pretty quick. Okay, so now turn off the car. The car has power even if it's not running. So even if I don't have the key, I put the key inside, the music is playing, the wiper is working, the lights are working, everything is actually activating without the car runs. Like, that's pretty cool to have that. So yeah, I'm closing this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, stay safe, people. Take care.